Hello, everyone. My name is Ryan McCarthy, and today I'm going to be telling you about an invasive plant that moves far and wide across the globe, and that is Japanese stiltgrass. And I'm going to be talking about its effects and what it does in Jefferson County, West Virginia. I'm going to go over how this plant is invasive and is spreading through local forests, and it changes the biodiversity and ecosystems health. First off, what is stiltgrass? Stiltgrass is an invasive grass from Asia that spread across the U.S. since the 1900s. It's often found along roads, trails, forests, and disturbed soil areas. It grows low to the ground and forms thick carpets that crowd our native plants. Why it spreads so quickly? It produces thousands of seeds per plant, increasing its spread every year. Seeds can survive in soil for up to 5+ years, making it hard to remove. Japanese stiltgrass thrives in sun or shade, giving it a huge advantage over native plants, being able to survive in all sorts of conditions, all sorts of light conditions. The seeds stick to shoes, animals, tires, helping it travel long distances. So whether you're driving in a car or somebody's walking, they're taking the stiltgrass seeds wherever they go, planting new stiltgrass plants. Ecological impacts. It outcompetes native plants by blocking sunlight and taking its nutrients. Young trees struggle to grow through thick stiltgrass mats, making it dominate these native plants here in Jefferson County. Forest biodiversity drops as native flowers and shrubs disappear, and the soil chemistry changes because stiltgrass alters the nutrient cycles. Effects on animals. Many insects lose the native plants they depend on for food. Birds and small mammals have fewer hiding places and fewer nesting areas. Reduced plant diversity affects animals up the entire food chain, and deer avoid eating stiltgrass, putting more pressure on the remaining native plants. When these deer are avoiding the stiltgrass and only eating the native plants, the stiltgrass is growing in population, and the native plants are obviously shrinking, being overconsumed by the deer, making it dominate more in our county. Human connection. Hiking, mowing, and construction help spread stiltgrass seeds without people noticing. Loss of native plants can harm recreation, hunting, and local wildlife populations. Stiltgrass mats create good environments for ticks, impacting public health, and removing large infestations is expensive and takes years of effort. Possible solutions to the stiltgrass problem. Hand pulling works for small patches if done before seeds form. Obviously, this is more time consuming and less efficient than other methods. Mowing early in the season can slow the spread in open areas. Herbicides are useful for large or hard to reach infestations. Replanting native species helps ecosystems recover and resist reinvasion. Long-term monitoring is needed because seeds stay in the soil for years. So maybe combining some of these, maybe hand pulling and then mowing, and then replanting in these the native plants in these areas you just pulled or mowed, be helpful to help eliminate the stiltgrass. In conclusion, stiltgrass is a major ecological threat because of its rapid spread and how widespread it is, easy to spread across with cars and foot traffic. It harms forests by reducing biodiversity and blocking new tree growth. And science-based management and community involvement are needed to protect West Virginia forests. And here are the references used for the presentation. If anybody has any questions, now would be the time. Thank you.